All right, talk to me.
Well, it's done. It's running. Second gen swap done. Everything's buttoned up. Still got a lot of work to do. There's a couple of issues with starting. Once you get that all figured out, I literally just threw the headlights in it just so I could drive it on the street.
Right.
I mean, I still got a lot of things to do, like get the vacuum lines hooked up, gotta get everything hooked up the way we want it, and then put everything back together. And that'll be it.
So you just did what you needed to do to get it going?
Yeah, I literally just pulled the P50Z mat, or P50Z. I just yanked it off and shoved it on there. Just enough. The battery is getting relocated, but I didn't have time to do that. I was just so excited. I just strapped it to the frame and it'll work for now.
Yeah.
But once it gets relocated, it'll be all pretty and stuff. You know?
All right, let's go for a ride. You already know the rules. Rudy's driving. You must have a seatbelt. Is that because of the tune?
Pump tune. I don't know what tune we're in. I've just been trying to play with them and trying to get them all figured out.
I'm going fast again! Woo! Woo!
All right, all right.
Holy shit! We gonna stop on time or what?
We had enough room.
Alright, stop!
Man, I made you lose it, huh?
Hey, the speed limit's 30. You were at about three times that. What the hell, man?
Good thing we were in Mexico somewhere.
Yeah.
Big fucking balls ass.
It does. Holy shit.
It's a big difference on the first gen. Why anybody would want to keep the first gen in there, I have no idea. This is so much fun.
Is dangerous for you, man. You know why? What? I've seen the way you drive, man. I've got a heavy foot.
I've seen the way you drive. You got a heavy foot.
I need to put the other brakes on this car. These brakes are not in it.
Yeah, no shit.
They run out real quick.
We just experienced that.
Well, I mean, I was trying to stop, but...
Or I thought we were going to eat the back of that pickup truck.
We had plenty of room.
You can have way too much fun with this car.
I can't get to do it while I'm going down the road.
Oh, that's weird. They should change on the fly.
Yeah, pop's gone, see?
Okay. What are you in, 2?
2 now.
2 should be race. I mean, if he did it the same way he did mine anyway. One was like regular driving, and 2 was race.
Yeah, you want to drive?
Yeah, pull over somewhere.
Yeah, you see something funny in the seat too. What? Oh, I stole that off of Joey's 350Z. I had to start the car. I couldn't use the old mat because Darren's tune was tuned for the 350 mat. So I literally just took it off, and I didn't like how it was sitting before, you know, sticking out way in front of the fender.
Oh yeah.
So I just pulled the short ram and just done it that way, but it's literally just so that the car can start and drive. But I got the stuff that we can take on. I'm gonna say that. I mean, we'd have to go a little higher. Like so.
Just get it how you want it.
Alright, I think
Where
it's
it
this.
looks like it fit. So if I just put we could start that. Cut the end of that off. The
coupling part of that off.
And then weld that piece, the flat piece.
Weld that to a straight piece, however long you think.
Oh, you want to come up here and measure it real quick?
Yeah.
So we'll do this portion and then do that portion.
Yeah.
Because I think that looks good right there. Get the engine completely dialed in. We've got some issues. The car doesn't start right away. For some reason I gotta unplug the cam sensor to get it to fire. So if I start it, it doesn't fire, I gotta get out, unplug the cam sensor, and then it'll fire pretty much every time. Gotta get the brakes on here. Brakes have to come on here, but I'm not going to do any of that because the car still has to go to the body shop. There's a lot of things that need to be fixed on the paint.
Is he just gonna go around and loop around again? No shit.
As I'm going down the road, they're burning off. Smoke's coming right out of them. They ripping off. Look at the way I pulled out of here. It's ripping.
Oh, that's you first and second right there.
Down there. Right where?
340, you'll get about 4,000 miles. Even R888s, the R888Rs, they don't rip from yet.
Those are hard to hook up. They're so light for the ass end, and they got so much power. For a 6-cylinder?
Yeah. Well, I know all about Grand National.
Yeah. We had a GNX Grand National that we had to put louvers on the back.
Hey, I know you're a former Honda guy because you like driving around with the hood on.
Yeah. Makes me feel like I'm going fast.
What did you fix it?
One of the guys were giver gathering. I fixed it. It's got all the bottom end power in it. It's got everything that it needs.
What was wrong with it?
The run just one hooked up. So it was closing the bottom end, like choking it, and when I got higher RPM, it was able to suck air.
You were fixing what you broke. Yeah.
It pulls down. Apparently I heard these tires, once they get warm, they grip, but I mean, where am I going to get these tires warm enough? I mean, a couple of pulls like this will get warm, but I'm going to get cross-hatching in those tires to pull on.
That's right. Broke the sign. Y'all got a sign. Maxima. I feel like you might want to do it.
Oh shit. Shooting some flames out. You know you're spitting flames, right?
Huh?
You're spitting flames every time it pops.
No, it's so fun. You see that guy shit himself? He's just like, middle finger.
Yeah, that's what Bro, I got no chance of even staying close to you. It's impossible. I can't stay even close to you.
Foot flat?
Yeah, I couldn't. I was hopeless.